get this thing ready for this weekend, because we're going to LV. Fires right up every time, except for when she don't. Just need to do a quick little walk around on it. Make sure everything's good, make sure all the bolts are good, make sure there's nothing broken from Natchez. Gotta check all my fluids. Brake fluid seems good. Check on that. Well, I found a little issue. I got fuel pouring out, so I'm gonna have to tighten up a hose. Good thing I saw that. That would have been real bad in the trails, just dumping fuel everywhere. So let me grab a few tools, see if I can't fix that. That is no good. Yeah, that is a lot of fuel. That is not just a small amount. Let's see if it's just, hopefully just loose. Or the line is cut. That is a lot of fuel. All right, fuel leak is fixed. Don't have to worry about that, hopefully. I will be keeping an eye on that to make sure that does not happen again. Well, some further inspection on the Dakota. I have found one loose motor mount bolt and a possible crack in one of said motor mounts on the frame side. So I'm gonna grab the stuff I need to check that out, and hopefully it's not actually cracked. We're gonna see. One motor mount bolt, this guy right here, I'm able to spin the washer. And then on this side, right there, I don't know if that's just something chipping or if the weld is actually pulling away. But either way, that's a pretty easy fix. So I'm gonna take the old wire wheel. Got a few different size wrenches. I'm gonna see if I can get this knocked out real quick. All right, got the stuff I need. Got a deep socket as well, just in case. Now let's see if I can tighten this thing up real quick. Maybe it's not a 9/16. I've got all my things all wrong. Everything is just wrong. It's gonna be a 14. Yep, there it is. It is a 14 indeed. Well, that's tightened up. Now let's go ahead and wire wheel this. Let's see if I can bring you over here. Yeah, it is indeed cracked. So I will go ahead and grab the welder real quick, clean this up a little bit more, and weld that up. I'm trying to get all the action. Almost forgot to disconnect my battery. Really wish I had a shop. It would definitely make things a lot easier. Oh, can't forget the welding helmet. If I had a shop and a lift, that'd be pretty cool. But you know, I get the things done with what I got. Ah! That's hot. I'm stuck. Ah! There's not much room in here for me at all. I'm gonna see if I can't get a few more welds in there. Can't see nothing. Too dark under here. Yeah, I think that'll do. Ugh, can't reach you. Oh. Okay. A little bit of weld in there. Can't really get in there very well. Wow, and you can see how bad the transmission's leaking just after starting the truck. We already have the header pretty much soaked, so that's cool. I'll deal with that one of these days. Today's just not that day. While I have the welder out, I think I'm gonna go around and make sure there's no other cracks or anything else going on. Well, that looked to be the only crack that I saw. Everything else seems to be good. And if anybody's curious on the welder I have and wants to get into welding, I highly recommend, it doesn't need to be this exact welder, but the Mako welder, my dad actually bought me this a couple years back, and this thing actually works pretty well. It says it only welds up to 3/16, but I've welded up to 1/2 inch and haven't had anything break. Now, in saying that, I would not use this welder for stuff over what it specifies to use it for, unless you go through the proper things of preheating the metal properly and doing multiple passes. But everything I've welded on this truck, I've done with this welder. Everything. And this thing actually does pretty phenomenal. Now I gotta go back here. This'll work. Gotta make sure the truck doesn't rust. Can't have rust on my truck. Certified show truck, race car, off-road rig, Ultra 4. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of this stuff on there. And she is gonna be technical difficulties. Hold on. Let's try this again. What is going on? All my cans just bad? I think they are. All my tips are clogged. All right, gray it is. This is a brand new can. So if this doesn't work, we have a bigger problem. Yeah, that worked. I'll spray over it with black at some point. No, I won't. Mud will cover that up and it'll never be seen again.